welcome to MSTV. I'm Neha Chauhan. Today I'm here with Siddharth Alamyan, popularly known as the Storyteller India. He is the creative mind behind the Bombay Journey and the Male Feminist. We welcome you, sir.
Hi, thank you so much.
Sir, so let me starting with the interesting question that is the roles are reversed. So how are you feeling right now?
Yeah, I'm feeling excited just as much as I feel when I'm talking to somebody new.
Okay.
So really excited to talk to you.
Same here, sir. So what inspired you to start storytelling at such young age?
I don't know if there is one particular answer, but I can give you quick instances.
Hmm.
When I sat on the monitor with Sham Benegal ji, Sham Babu,
Hmm.
now late Sham Benegal ji, and I didn't even know how to pronounce resume or pause. That's
Oh.
how I would say resume or pause.
Hmm.
And I realized that the director is holding such a high mantle when they're moving various parts and trying to get this story up and
Right.
going. Or when it came to being in school and
Hmm.
doing plays and thinking, अरे अगर इन दोनों को कास्ट किया तो क्या कहानी बनेगी
Hmm.
या अगर ये किया तो कैसा होगा to doing street plays which we would just create maybe a day before doing it because we all passionately felt like that about that cause or topic.
Hmm.
और डूइंग शॉर्ट फिल्म्स जहाँ पर डॉक्यूमेंट्री से लेके कुछ और हो और या डूइंग टॉक शोज सो इट इज द वेरियस न्यू स्टोरीज ऑफ
Hmm.
पीपल दैट
Right.
आई वुड गेट
Hmm.
इट इज अबाउट हाउ पीपल इंटरेक्ट विद अदर पीपल स्टोरीज कैसे कैरेक्टर एक दूसरे में ढल जाते हैं और कैसे ऑडियंसेस को वो आंखें लाइट अप होके एक्साइट करते हैं और कैसे एक सिनेमा में 3 घंटे के लिए हम सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं या कुछ कंटेंट देखते समय हम पूरी दुनिया को साइड में रख के उसी में ध्यान दिए होते हैं दैट इज
Hmm.
व्हाट एक्साइट्स मी अबाउट स्टोरी टेलिंग आई थिंक
Okay, and coming back to the transition, how did you transition from being the child actor to the media strategist had defined, and what inspired you to do that?
यार इंस्पिरेशन कुछ नहीं है
Hmm.
काम नहीं मिल रहा था आप अगर एक 5, 6 and a half प्लम्प चाइल्ड हो तो आप नॉट हेल्दी इनफ टू प्ले गणपति जी हैं विच इज भगवान गणेश
Hmm.
या आप इतने पतले भी नहीं है कि आप हीरो बन सके
Right.
और हम उस समय की बात कर रहे हैं जब अनुपम खेर साहब और अपने नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी जी या नसीरुद्दीन शाह साहब ये इतने दिग्गज काम कलाकार नहीं कर रहे थे कि वो हेडलाइन कर रहे हो वेडनेसडे तब तक आई थी बस
Hmm.
तो एंड वो भी आई थी अनुराग मतलब और वो भी आई थी अनुपम खेर साहब और नसीरुद्दीन शाह जी के साथ जो
जी.
दोनों बहुत बड़े थिएटर के दिग्गज तो इट वाज नो हार्ड मतलब इट वाज अ हार्ड रियलिटी
Okay.
that there weren't any roles for me. And Hyderabad, no matter what said and done, at that point only had that many things to produce.
Okay. And talking about Bombay journey, so where did you get the idea to start something like that, taking interviews in the car? So where did you get the idea from?
यार मैं व्यक्ति ही ये हूँ अगर आप मुझे आके मुंबई में विजिट करेंगे और अगर हम कभी भी फ्रेंड्स बने तो आप ये रियलाइज करोगे कि आई एम दैट पर्सन हु टेक्स पीपल अराउंड इन अ कार इन मुंबई एनीवे
Hmm.
मैं 10 साल पहले गाड़ी खरीद चुका था टचवुड मैं बिकॉज आई हैड बीन एन एडी एंड बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू रेकी अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस
Hmm.
एज अ फोटोग्राफर टू फिल्म टाइम लैप्सेस फाइंड वैंटेज पॉइंट्स मैं वो व्यक्ति था जिसको पता था कि यहाँ पर ये हो रहा है वहां पर वो हो रहा है दैट रियली हेल्प मी एंड मैं खाने का शौकीन हुई नेटिवली
Hmm.
सो आई रियलाइज दैट the essence of the Bombay journey comes from a core of what I would
Hmm.
do anyway. And then when we built on top of that idea, uh, we realized that, boss, every person
Hmm.
comes to this city thinking of a dream,
Right.
thinking of one unfulfilled project or a promise, and they go ahead and fulfill it.
Hmm.
How can this narrative become inspirational, relatable, fun, conversational for a lot of people to watch and get
Hmm.
inspired by?
And
तो ऐसे ऐसे बना
okay. And talking about the project, so is there any project that is kind of like most challenging to you?
यार every time we have to drive in Dubai
Hmm.
it's challenging because Dubai is extremely rules following the fines are very very high and strict
Hmm.
that's challenging sometimes meeting any grade of celebrity is challenging the first time I'm doing an interview with the union minister Nitin Gadkari ji or
Hmm.
Piyush Goyal sahab or meeting the Yuva Sena and Varli ke representative Aditya Thackeray ji all of these are challenging sometimes you have to get down and walk with Rahul Gandhi ji during his
Hmm.
Bharat Jodo Yatra that's extremely challenging sometimes you meet a Sara Ali Khan who's been doing 7 days back to back interviews and is just tired of speaking about the same kind of things,
Hmm.
just wants to go home and relax.
Right.
But that ride of hers back to home is also utilized as time to film with us. That is challenging.
Hmm.
When I'm doing male feminist with a very, very दिग्गज बेपाक औरत like Kangana Ranaut ji is challenging because she's sitting right as far as you are from me, and she has a very strong persona, very
Right.
high aura. So you're like, boss, you're intimidated. You've met her and you've spoken to her, and you know she's pally and she's chill, but she's sharp, she's witty, she knows what she's saying.
Right.
She's a great actor. So you can't tinker with any of those things. And then there is the challenges back home, which is basically with the creative team. A creative team is 55 different minds going 55 different places.
Right.
So how do you tackle all of these creative folks and try to create meaningful products?
True.
A huge shout out to my manager who manages me as a creative dynamic individual, Samar Verma. He's a fab human being, and there is always a tinkering that he has to do with me, because I'm also a creative fellow आदमी.
Right.
मेरी भी थॉट जाती है कि ये चालू करते हैं, ये भी करते हैं, वो भी करते हैं, सब करते हैं. So it's both ways tricky.
Okay. And you just had a session with the AFT students. So what vision or message you convey to them?
Yeah, with film students or game design folks or digital marketers, the world we're entering right now is full of AI conversations.
Right.
The world we're entering right now is full of people who do not like Gen Z as much as they like millennials.
Right.
So, for them to navigate AI in a big manner in their career and forward moving path, and to tackle the perception of what Gen Z is going to be difficult, and वो बड़ा interesting था to chat with them about.
Okay. And how, like, what role does the emotional resonance play in your content creation?
The whole thing is emotional resonance. The whole thing is about thinking about the ESP more than the USP. For us, the emotional selling proposition is important. Why you do what you do,
Right.
and how do you challenge a disagreement? How do you challenge a failure? How do you rise up from the time when you didn't have, you know, the fame going for you, the money going for you, the environment going for you? शारिब हाशमी जी आए थे मुंबई में. जिस प्रकार की बारिश 19 या 20 अगस्त को हुई है, उस समय की वो डार्क ह्यूमर में कहानी कैसे बताए मेरे को पता है. वो बोलते हैं अगर ऐसी चेयर है जिसके 4 पैर हैं, जो अड़िग है, जो टिकी हुई है, या बेड है जिसपे वो सो रहे हैं, उससे वो रस्सी से अपने चीजें बांध देते थे, क्योंकि जब घर में इतना पानी आता था तो सब फ्लोट होता था, तो वो बाहर ना बह जाए, इसलिए उन्होंने रस्सी से सब बांध रखा था.
Okay.
सो दिस इज व्हाट इज इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर.
Okay. And talking about again with the experience and all, you have done the Mashable Mornings, the Bombay Journey, the Male Feminist. So, is there any episode that is like very, you know, it became like an experience for you?
All
Or
of my
favorite episode or something?
I've gotten this answer question so many times, so my answer remains the same. Number one is Kunal Kemu.
Oh,
Big introvert, did not open up for 45 minutes. Kunal bhai, congratulations on your YouTube channel, if by any chance you're watching this. He then 45 minutes later, during a cavalry or a you know, there is a security detail सीलिंग से पहले लगी हुई थी, सीलिंग ब्लॉक था, तो एक बड़ा टोल समझिए आप, एमसीडी टोल जब लगा होता था तब ट्रैफिक इमेजिन कीजिए जितना होगा, वैसा था ट्रैफिक. हम अटके हुए हैं और हमारे बाजू में गाड़ी आके रुकती है, एक बुजुर्ग कपल है उनके बेटे के साथ, और वो बोलते हैं पता नहीं किधर देखा है लेकिन देखा है और बहुत मजा आता है. एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक वाओ, हाउ डज एन एक्टर गो फ्रॉम दैट? सो हिज full introvertedness or any place that he was sitting at came down, and he became an extremely relatable human who ended up telling me that his first film was going to be called Blue Film because nobody else was taking it up, and then became Kalyug. How he loves noodles with dahi, how he has traveled in a train without a pass, and how he's escaped a TT. से लेके अभिषेक बच्चन साहब, who was, you know, really kind and nice both the times that he met me, great conversationalist, great rapper, and great Juhu aware guy.
wow.
He really knows Mumbai. Or any of my friends. So Mrunal Thakur was my batchmate. Kusha and Dolly I've worked with. Mithila Palkar was also in my batch, different college like Mrunal. Sunny Bhaiya, who's become a friend after. So, or Vijay Verma was a Hyderabadi. Like all of these people who are sort of like now friends. So ये बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग है. और राजकुमार राव एंड विक्रांत मसी जो चैंपियंस ऑफ द बॉम्बे जर्नी, 5 बार आ चुके हैं शो पे, तो ये बड़े मजेदार होते हैं यार.
Okay. And talking about trends, so what media's emerging trends that you like excited you the most today?
माइक्रो फिक्शन, माइक्रो ड्रामास, 1 मिनट शॉर्ट स्टोरी जो रीलों की जैसे एक ही स्क्रॉल में आप सोचें कि फिल्म आ गई है. 1 मिनटर माइक्रो कैप्सूल्स जो आप देखते चलो, क्योंकि डूम स्क्रॉलिंग कब तक करोगे.
Right.
तो ये बड़ा एक्साइट करता है मेरे को बहुत चूल है कुछ सीरीज बनाऊं मैं अपनी खुद की, जो 1 मिनट में एक एपिसोड में कहानी बताए.
Okay.
और ऐसा नहीं कि हर एक में क्लिफ हैंगर हो. एक बार आप इंडल्ज हो तो आप कहानी में इंडल्ज हो, फिर
हम्म।
आपको देखने का मन करे. टू, हाउ वी कैन डू लाइक लाइव एक्शन एनिमेशन होता है ना,
हम्म
कि आप यहाँ ही बग्स बनी इमेजिन करें,
हम्म
वैसे ही अगर हम if we can do something with AI where you and I are talking and there's some third person who's listening who's fully an AI persona character, and what if in an interview there is tech asking
Hmm.
questions to us? I
So
don't know.
basically, you tell like AI, you can like people ask the same question: Is AI is a threat or is it like pros and cons? And you made it that into a collaboration, right? We can use it in a good tool, right? That's great.
I've also seen the sci-fi films where it turns against us,
Hmm.
so I'm really scared about it also a
Okay.
little. But I really hope it continues to collaborate with us.
Okay. At last, any message you wanted to give to the content creator who wanted to start their content creation, and especially to the Gen Z generation, because we wanted something to be overnight. We wanted the likes and the likes and the views and the overnight. So, what message you want to give to them?
यार मिस्टर बीस्ट को ना 5 साल तक barely any subscribers,
Hmm.
barely any views मिलते थे. Then he studied the algorithm,
Hmm.
then he kept creating, then he won so hard, within a year he had 1 million subscribers.
Right.
So the thing about it is, if you look at the top creators and the top folks, it it takes a while to get there. हम क्या होता है, हम सीधा सक्सेस देखते हैं, बट हम ये नहीं सोचते कि 5 साल तक श्रम लगा होगा उनका,
Hmm.
कि बहुत समय लगता है वहां पहुंचने में.
Hmm.
आप जो आज सुन रही हो मेरी होस्टिंग की जर्नी, वो 10 साल पहले चालू हो गई थी.
Right.
जब मैं प्रोड्यूसर था, मैं दूसरों को होस्ट करने का उनसे वार्तालाप करता था. हमने फर्स्ट पोस्ट शो चालू किया था. पता है, बॉम्बे जर्नी पहले शार्क टैंक इंडिया इनकार होने वाला था, तब तक शार्क टैंक इंडिया आया नहीं था इंडिया में.
Wow.
तो इट वाज अ पिचिंग शो. आप सोचें कि फ्रॉम कनॉट प्लेस टू गुड़गांव पहुंचना है आपको बड़े से टेक ऑफिस. आप एक स्टार्टअप फाउंडर हैं और आपको दिग्गज शार्क कोई मिल गए हैं गुड़गांव में जो बैठते हैं, और आपके पास उतना ही समय उनको पिच करने के लिए. आइडिया ट्रैफिक की भी है, ये आइडिया था.
Wow.
तो इसको 4 साल लगे मटेरियलाइज होने में, और 6 साल और लगे जो बड़ा बना है जहां तक मैं आज पहुंचा हूं वहां तक आने में. और बहुत सारे लोग और उनका उतना ही शिद्दतदार श्रम लगा. तो
Hmm.
थोड़ा समय लगता है. पेशेंस का वर्च्यू लाएं, बिकॉज let's be truthful, social media has made us extremely impatient.
Right, that's true. Thank you so much, Siddha, for giving such a wonderful session with me. It was amazing talking to you and getting insights about a lot of sessions. Thank you.
Thank you.